Once upon a time, there was a lion that grew so old that he was unable to kill any prey for his food. So he said to himself, I must do something to stay my stomach, else I will die of starvation. He kept thinking and thinking, and at last an idea clicked him. He decided to lie down in the cave, pretending to be ill, and then whoever will come to inquire about his health will become his prey. The old lion put his wicked plan into practice, and it started working. Many of his well-wishers got killed, but evil is short-lived. One day a fox came to visit the ailing lion. As foxes are clever by nature, the fox stood at the mouth of the cave and looked about. His sixth sense worked, and he came to know the reality. So he called out to the lion from outside and said, How are you, sir? The lion replied, I am not feeling well at all, but why don't you come inside? Then the fox replied, I would love to come in, sir, but on seeing all footprints going to your cave and none coming out, I would be foolish enough to come in. Saying so, the fox went to alert the other animals. Thanks for listening. For more easy and interesting stories, like, share, subscribe to the channel.